the Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit. This was the kit that PriceSmart used to sell, and I recommended for many of my students. Many of them bought and have had a good experience with the kit. I recently visited a church that has the kit because I was not able in my previous video to demo the kit for you all to see. But the church that I visited had the same kit. So here I am at the church giving a visual of how the kit looks, and then you're going to hear me give a demo of the kit. I would recommend this kit for my students. However, I am not sure if PriceSmart is restocking this particular kit again. Alright, I will investigate further and I will let you know. Meanwhile, you can enjoy my brief demo.